What's up YouTube? This is Dave from Tech Info. So in this video I'm going to test my camera, the Canon SX410 camera guys. So you can see a few days ago I unboxed the Canon camera guys. So today I'm going to show some of the sample taken with this camera guys. So without further ado, let's get started guys. So the Canon SX410 comes with a 20 megapixel with 40x optical zoom. It takes the video up to 720p, and due to its 40x optical zoom, you can take very far object guys. So you can zoom like this, you can see here, and you can take a very far object. That's one of the biggest advantage of this camera. So I bought this camera mainly for my YouTube videos guys, because I was recording the video with my mobile phone. So I purchased this camera from Amazon.in, sorry. So the screen is also very good, and the interface is very basic. Anyone can use the interface. And now I'm going to show you the sample photo and a video taken with this camera guys. And that's all for this video guys, and I hope to see you in my next video. Enjoy the rest of the video guys.